Hey, welcome to Joanna's DIY Life. I am Joanna. We've got a couple of projects for you. These are recreations of things that I had. Now, let's get crafty. Okay, y'all, I do not have time for a voiceover, so I'm going to be walking through this one. These are going to be some easy, simple DIYs, okay? So I've got this. I might as well tell you what I got. I got this, and I've had this for a long time. I got this when we had a Fred's, when we first moved in this house, and we've been in this house, see, our daughter's 20-something. We've been in here a good hot minute, 20-something years. 20-something years, I ain't gonna tell you, but, you know, because date. Anyways, I'm gonna take it apart, and I got this at a yard sale, okay? And then put the picture in it. Now, it's kind of like busted and disgusted, as my husband would say. But I'm going to take these screws out. Lord, I might use my electric screwdriver for this thing, because I ain't about twisting my arm. I didn't know I put them things in there that good. I tell you what. Oh, that's the wrong one. Let me get a bit and take these out, okay? I'll be right back. I'm going to take these off too. I am going to wipe this down, and I'm going to give it a coat of this night sky. Not normally my color, but this is going in our mud room. And we got some stuff to do in there, but that color is the best color I have that matches the picture that I got going up in here. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna roll with it. That's what we gonna do. We gonna roll with it. You know, if I get it together and I don't like it, I'll just redo it. Ain't no big deal. It's just a little paint, right? Right. And y'all, I am so sorry that I have not done any Christmas in July, but I usually do Christmas in July for y'all. Even if it's just, ooh, don't use that one. Even if it's just, you know, I do winter DIYs. I do winter DIYs. But I don't do Christmas DIYs per se. Anyways, that's a whole nother subject. But listen, I'm doing 2 channels now, because y'all didn't want my junk journaling on this channel. So I'm trying to manage 2 channels, playlists, and collaborations getting together. And there's so much going on with the collabs here lately, and my winter stuff is packed away, and I can't get to it right yet. So yeah, I'm so sorry about that. Y'all can go back in my playlist and watch my winter DIYs. Oh dear, winter's here. That's what the playlist is. There's plenty of stuff in there for y'all to look at. Okay, so this is just on a piece of cardboard. So I got a piece of cardboard. So I'm going to trace this onto this. And then I'm going to take a ruler, because it has to be this exact size, and I don't want to take this one out of the wrapper. I just don't, because it's been in this wrapper since I bought it 100 years ago. Got it. But y'all know me and my cutting skills. I'm so scared it won't fit. But it's the same size as this, so it's gotta fit. It's gotta fit, y'all. It's got to fit. Okay, so let me show you the picture that I printed. Now, I don't know where I got this, because I did this last year. It may be from Crafty Basket Case. I am not sure, okay? But either way, there she is. Now, I just printed it on photo paper, and it's very pretty. I love it. Printed it on photo paper, and this was the best I could get to match, y'all. It ain't perfect, but yeah, it'll work. So let me cut this out, and then I'll glue it onto here, onto there. Y'all look at me. Did I cut it too short? Yes, I did. Will it hide in here? No, it has to hide in these. Oh Lord, let it hide in these. Let it hide. Let me see. Oh my goodness, barely. Okay, so let me center it up on this thing, and then I'm going to glue it down. So to glue it down, I'm going to use, what am I going to use? I'm going to use, well, I'm going to use Barely Art. Okay, I use this for my paper crafting, but I'm fixing to use it for right here. I probably shouldn't, but all I got to do is worry about the edges, really. Y'all might see my head pop in here. Y'all know I'm a head popper. Y'all know I'm a head popper, but I got to get my edges sealed down real good on the sides so that it doesn't get hung when I'm trying to put it back in the key holder frame thing. It's cute, ain't it? It's a little gun holder or whatever. It's cute. My husband preferred it. He hates the ones that I have done. You see me redo one last week. This is his favorite right here. This is his favorite, and he said he wants it back. I said, well, I've had it in my stash, so let me try to, why did I put glue on the edge right there? I need to go in some. I'm not even on the edge right there. I don't know what I was thinking. Yeah, we may have to work. I'm wearing old clothes, don't worry. Work on our edges over here. Now this stuff sticks fast. You don't have much room, much wiggle room at all. That looks about right. Right there. If not, we'll fix it. Yes, we will. Okay, we're on there. So I'm going to get my mat back, and I am simply going to cut this edge off. Lord willing, I won't cut my cardboard. Cutting the cardboard. Now, I'm going to put my screws in and put my little thingy back together here. I'm going to distress this before I put it in there, because that's a rusty old truck, right? So I'm just going to hit it with the sander here in various spots and chip some paint off and distress this, okay? I'm going to zoom in when I edit, but look how beautiful this distress is. Look at it. It's like almost effortlessly, and it's so pretty. My husband's like, why do you paint stuff and then sand the paint off? Because it looks so beautiful. You know, when I painted my kitchen green, I sanded the cabinets down and the trim and everything to distress it, and he thought I was crazy, but he liked the look of it. So to get this in, I put the screws in there so far, and then I am putting the screws in here so far, and then, oh, that went way far. It's okay. We'll screw this carefully, because this one was the one that was busted. Okay, so we're going to hold that, and we're going to screw one side on very carefully. Alright, that side is screwed on. Now, it never went together just right. So, yeah. So, we're going to put this one on. Now, that's on. Now, before I put this side on, okay, this side is still so... Nope, we can't tighten that tight. It's going to break it. so wonky. Let's put this in. I'm gonna have to dust this thing all the time. See if this fits. That side fits. Okay. Now I'll just line up this one and put this one on. I got it in there, okay, but it didn't sit right at first, and this ain't sitting right, so it's got a gap right here, and I can see it. It drives me nuts. So I'm gonna take this stuff from the Dollar Tree, and I'm first gonna glue this together right here because it's coming apart, and we don't want it to come apart, do we? No, we don't. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna glue this down the sides here, okay, and it's just gonna go down the sides. I'm not going to up the top or the bottom, I'm just going down the sides, okay. So that should stop right about there, and we'll seal that one off too so it don't come unraggled. Y'all like that word, raggled? Yeah, I don't know what I'm saying. Y'all, I'm sorry about the fans. It's hot in here. This is supposed to be the last 90 something degree, and then we're supposed to be in 80s, I think. But the heat index is 100 and something. I feel so sorry for my husband working out in this mess. I really do. Let's tack that down. We'll tuck that under. Perfect. And now I'll do the same thing to this other side. And I did have a Dollar Tree sticker, puffy sticker key, so I put that up there, and I think that's just cute because it's for keys, right? Yeah, so it's cute. I had a double loopy bow, and I'm just gonna stick that right here, right there, and call this one done. Now my husband probably ain't gonna like that bow. Well, he probably won't like the truck either. He'll say it's pretty, but he ain't gonna like it. It don't matter. It's my house too. Nah, he won't care. He will not care. Oh, I just threw that on my truck. Junk on my trunk. Truck! Oh. Sorry about that. That's funny. Oh, my Lanta. Okay, yeah. So there. She's a done. She's a done, and I love it. Hope my husband does. Okay, y'all. How many of y'all have had one of these? Seriously. These came from the Dollar Tree 100 years ago. How many got one? With these little things in it. That's, yeah. We're not going to use these. We are not going to use those. Matter of fact, I'm going to throw them in the trash because I keep way too much stuff. I'm going to paint this. Not blue. Not blue. But green. Y'all, this succulent matte acrylic paint is the closest I got to mint. Now, I do not have to get paint up in here, because if I get paint up in here, I probably won't be able to get my stuff in there. So, I am going to probably use a pouncy brush. Okay? Probably going to use a pouncer. Do I have a little one? I don't know if I got a little one anymore. I've ruined a ton of them. Sorry, I'm back. This is small, so I got. So, what I'm going to do is, oh, ain't it pretty? It might not be mint, but it's pretty. So, I'm going to pounce this paint along here, because this is where I need it. And if I do brush, I'm going to get paint up in there. And I'm not about digging it out to, you know, put my pieces in there. So I'm just going to sponge brush this, and I'm going to sponge brush, well, I might paint brush that, but I'm going to do the whole thing. Okay, y'all, this is what I'm going to paint. Yeah, I got some paint on there. It ain't going to matter. I ain't worried about the back because that's going to be hanging against my wall. But anyways, I painted the sides, the bottom, the top, the little runs. And that color is not mint, but it is so beautiful. I love it. Okay, So I printed this on my computer, okay? And I am going to affix these. Is that the right word? Affix these? Yeah. People shouldn't be using big words if you don't know what you're saying. But I'm just going to use my tape runner, okay? And I am going to put tape on this. And the only reason why I'm doing this is because I can't slide this paper into the slot, okay? Is that straight? Probably not. I got glue on my... Let me see if it'll work. Oh, my Lanta. Why is that being so hard? Oh, I know why. Because I got glue on it. Let me cut this down. Let me sand it. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sand it down. Okay, well, I'll tell you what I'm going to do here. I'm going to shave that off. That's an easy fix right there. Oh, it matches. It's so pretty. I love it. So I'm going to do that to the other two. Ain't it cute? It's so pretty. This is down a little too far. I think I had these and I don't remember, but I mean, I could see it. I love it. It's going on my door and I love it, but it needs a little something something. So I got this little silk ribbon. I got this from I don't know if I got this from Walmart. I probably got it from Walmart or if I got it from Hobby Lobby, but I'm just going to take it and make a loop, go around, pull through. My hands are so disgusting. I am such a messy crafter. I am. Can't help it. And then pull tight. And I'm going to make teeny weeny little bows. And I'm going to put those in the corners. And this one's done, and this is the final reveal. Ain't that so cute? If y'all have one of these left laying around, you can easily use it for a little girl's room, because that's what this looks like. But it's just cute, or, you know, whatever. You don't have to use those pieces that come in it, is my whole point. And you can paint the thing, that's another whole point. But anyway, so yeah, there's my little thing. I only got 2 for you today, because, like I said, running, excuse me, running 2 channels is a booger. If I could combine it all into one again without y'all getting mad, I surely would, because it would make my life a whole lot easier. But I don't want to lose nobody, and I don't want to hurt my OGs. You know what I'm saying? You guys have been with me through thick and thin and everything else. So, but anyway, we're making it. We're making it. But here they are. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, you are a blessing. Goodbye.